Here we have some more breaking news. It doesn't get any better, unfortunately, for the cryptocurrency market. Silvergate is taking voluntary liquidation. What does that mean for the market? Well, we broke down 21,697 at the point in which this video is recorded. We're going to bring you up to speed with everything going on with the Silvergate crisis as it is happening right now. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you up to date with everything that is going on. So if we take a look at the charts, you can see here Bitcoin in the last 2 hours took a big old dump all the way down, bottomed out 21,579. Now we have seen a rally to try and get back up, but ultimately trading currently 21.7. The rest of the market following suit. We're seeing 10% in Luna Classic. We're seeing 5% in things like Aptos, as well as a number of other coins all heading down. The only ones really Cypherium. Even Bone on the eve of Shibarium is down nearly 8%. The market taking a huge hit. What's happened? What's going on? We're seeing massive moves out of Silvergate. This has been coming all week. I talked about this on Monday. Hopefully you guys got into some stablecoin positions, but we talked about it on my live stream as well as in a couple of my videos. So I said I expect Silvergate to go under. Anything that's coming out as scaling back operations or trying to free capital is in crisis. Now, what we have seen is Marathon Digital, a massive Bitcoin miner, ultimately reduce its debt and liquidate a lot of its position to bring up $75 million worth of Bitcoin, which was held as collateral. One of the largest Bitcoin miners, Marathon Digital, said it terminated its credit facilities with Silvergate Bank, which said Wednesday it will wind down operations and liquidate its assets. So we did get an official statement out of them. It says the bank revealed last Wednesday it would be delaying filing its annual 10K report due to questions from its auditors. This is where it all started, where there were questions particularly around what they had around the assets. Were they viable? Did they have enough collateral? We saw Coinbase move away. Coinbase moving away from its credits with them. But ultimately now it says, and the statement reads, in light of recent industry and regulatory developments, Silvergate believes that an ordinary wind down of bank operations and a voluntary liquidation of the bank is the best path forward. The bank's wind down and liquidation plan includes full repayment of all our deposits. The company is also considering how best to resolve claims and perceive the residual value of its assets, including its proprietary technology and tax assets. Silvergate Court said in a press release. So we are seeing another blow to the market. So not only do we now have Gensler going after things like staking, it is just another attack on the cryptocurrency market. Now, long term, we will recover. It's going to be a matter of time. We said March was going to be a horrible month. We expect a slight better move. If you haven't watched that video, particularly around the regulation that's coming in April, definitely go on out. I'll link it in the description so you can go and have a look at it. But this is a blow to the market as we sort of were heading down anyway. You see, we've trended down on the hour. If we come out onto the daily charts again, we can see that we just break through so many levels of support, back through the 50-day EMA, down heading back through the 200-day EMA with only the 100-day EMA at 21.3 could be our point in which we bounce off. We also have this line drawn here, 21.4. If we break 21.4, it could be a pretty rough ride down to 19,500. So we're going to have to stay close to exactly what this means. But I am sure there'll be more coming out of Silvergate. There'll be more statements coming out. This is breaking news just launching now. Like I said, did kind of feel like it was building for the week. We can actually take a look at Silvergate's price at $4.91 has just been heading in the downward direction. So I think we're in for a bit more pain in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin down 2% on the day. But like we said, Silvergate, unfortunately, liquidating their assets along with a number of other parts of it. Silvergate took out approximately $4.3 billion in loans from the Federal Home Loan Bank in San Francisco, a federal banking entity that provides this type of loan for banks. Still, the fact Silvergate's situation warranted these loans should have sparked concerns from the FDIC months ago, a banking industry veteran told CoinDesk. This is the thing. Back when we seen FTX, we expected positive things. We expected a shift in how things operated. Unfortunately, this may not even be the last one to go down. Whenever we get things like this, people move out of risk assets. We see it, and we are seeing it with Bitcoin as well as the DeFi space. So we're going to have to stay really close to this one. Like I said, we'll bring you up to speed with everything going on. But big news, Silvergate is filing for voluntary liquidation. Hopefully anyone affected, it looks like they're going to get their assets back. But like I said, we'll keep you up to date with everything that's going on. To do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on so you know when we upload our latest videos or go live. Join us on our live stream 4 p.m. Check out the links in the description if you want to trade some of these opportunities. There could be some interesting short plays right now. Remember, $8,000 up for grabs using that link in the description. As ever, thank you so much for watching. We'll bring you the latest. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.